Hey guys, it's Ari here, and I am so excited today because I am about to attempt now to make a headband wig. I don't even know what you call it. It could be like a headband wig. I think it's like an Instabun. I've seen it as the name. But I'm all about whatever I can slap on my head. I'm all about something I can put on my head and go out the door. Okay, so if you're interested, then keep watching. Let's get into this video. Okay, so here are the materials that I'll be using. I have my styrofoam head, a glue gun, some extra glue sticks, a spandex dome cap, and that really cute scarf that I got from one of my favorite stores, Dollar Tree. And I also have 4 packs of some jumbo Havana twists in like a reddish color, but I only ended up using 3 of those packs. Here I am just placing the dome cap onto the styrofoam head. I place a small dot at the top, kind of as a guide for where I want the middle of my bun to be. Okay, now on to making the wig. So all I'm doing is gluing down each twist about halfway, just making sure I leave the ends free so that they can easily gather into a ponytail. At this point, the glue gun is definitely hot, so if you're going to try this out, make sure you use caution so that you don't burn yourself the way that I did. Okay, so the wig is pretty much complete minus the headbands that are going around the edges. But I was very surprised at how fast I did this. It probably took me about 30 minutes. So this is a really quick something to do, especially when you're just trying to find something to throw on your head just to walk into the store, so that you can be presentable. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So, I don't know if you can even see this, but I hot glued this headband I got from Dollar Tree. Now, I got two of them because, as you can see, it's kind of thin, like it's skinny. So make sure when you're doing this you get a headband that is wide enough. But yeah, I don't even know if y'all can see this. The bun is not the best because the hair is not long enough, I guess, to make like a decent sized bun. I don't know. Let me try this. I'm gonna wrap this second one around just for extra coverage in the back. And I don't know, I tried to do baby hair. It's just, I hope this is not a complete fail. I think it might be. I don't know. Let's try. Let's see. What do you guys think? Yeah, let's see. Okay. So this is like in regular light, no ring light. What you guys think? Like, would you be caught dead out in the store with this on? I can tell it's like a little bit lumpy in the back, but I don't know. Maybe if the hair was black, it probably would look even better. But tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. If you're still even watching, let me know down in the comments what you think about this look. If I should try it again with different hair, give me suggestions. But yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next one.